Hello everyone! I am back here again, ready to help you ditch those bad habits holding you back. I know it's not easy. I know that because I got some bad habits too. But, with the right plan, you can totally change your life with them. So, let's do this. I'll even give you some examples to show you what I really mean on what I'm trying to say. So, let's dive in. Not swimming though, but of course, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, because if you want to see more of me who gives you some tips and some learning, come on, why won't you subscribe? You can just go on my channel, click that button with my face, I'm just kidding, my profile picture, and you will see some videos that might help you out too. So don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell to see more of me who helps you out. I hope, if you do it. So yeah, and also don't forget to comment down below if this video helped you out on what I'm trying to help you out on. So yeah, now let's go back on trying to break those bad habits. Number 1, find your bad habits. Be honest. What are your bad habits? Question that. How often do you do them? Question that too. What makes you do them? Also question that. Be specific. For example, let's say someone spends too much time on social media, checking it constantly throughout the day, even when they know they should be either studying or working. And it could be any other thing. You should just put your bad habit thing in what I said. We're gonna get into it, so question that. So then pick a few. If you have many bad habits, I don't know, just any, focus on 1 or 2 at a time. Don't try to change everything at once. That's too hard. You expect me to do all my homework at once too? What are you talking about? But in this case, let's just focus on the reducing social media use, since that's my example. Plus guys, I just want to talk about it. Y'all see my new hair? It's curly. Well, not really curly. It was kind of wavy-ish stuff. If you want to know how I did it, go watch one of my shorts. You will see me blow drying my hair with some pink that looks like Mickey Mouse and Minnie Mouse, to be honest, if you're interested. Probably not, but I'm just saying. Now let's go back. And lastly, write it down. Keep a journal, something. Yes, I want to show an example like this. It's my mom's cooking book, excuse me. Like this. Cutie, okay, whatever. Just keep a journal with you to track your progress and see them patterns. What thing or feelings makes you do your bad habits? Maybe this person feels stressed or bored, leading them to check social media for a quick distraction. You can also just write it down. For me, I have a bad habit on biting my nails. I know, so bad. That's why I put nail polish on them. Stop, because I don't know, I just stopped. But it's okay. I'm not really doing it. Why am I lying? But but I do this whenever I'm feeling nervous. I bite my nails. At times when I'm feeling nervous, or just I don't know, it just comes out naturally. So yeah, this also is a tip for me. It's a learning. I'm trying to change it, guys, so don't come for me. So number 2, change your ways. Replace. Don't stop. Instead of just stopping, replace the bad habit with a good one. Instead of immediately reaching out for your phone. Ignore this. You could try a quick 5-minute walk, breathing exercise, or a short burst of studying, or I don't know, do something creative, or learn something, read a book. If you don't like books like me, same. But like, you know, there's so many things to do other than just looking at your phone. I'm doing that again. And then next is link some good habits. Add a new good habit to something you already do. For example, after finishing a study session, you could allow yourself for a 15 minutes of social media as a reward. But if like you do something bad, like, okay, wait, 1 sec. But guys, it also depends on what bad habit you're working on, you know, like example, your bad habit, like you expect me to reward myself to buy money, not like that, okay guys? Or example, you smoke, like that's your bad habit. Example, just an example, guys, don't come for me. Why would you reward yourself for that? You know, it depends on your bad habit too. If it's actually bad, get out. Remove that tough. I'm not about tough, okay? The tough, yeah. So then you can set easy goals after linking some good habits. So start small and make the goals harder a little slowly. What am I saying? Slowly. So instead of quitting altogether, they might aim to reduce their social media time by 30 minutes a day for the first week. I know that's impossible for some of y'all if you guys are really socially online. Like me, I have a problem with that, but you know, stuff. And lastly, give yourself rewards. Celebrate your wins, big or small. I know I've said this every freaking video, but you know, whatever, who cares? Just give yourself a reward. If you stick successfully to your goal for the whole week, you could treat yourself to a movie night, relaxing bath while listening to your songs, listening to your podcast, you know. You could do a little something. So number 3, change how you think. Talk to yourself nicely. Replace the negative thoughts with some positive ones. I always say this too, because why do you want to be negative? If you're always negative, your whole life is going to be negative. So of course you gotta be a little positive here, okay? So instead of thinking I'll never be able to quit this, I can't do this okay, you could actually say, I can't do this one step at a time. I can't do this. I cannot do this one step at a time. Okay. I can't do this, okay guys? Ignore that. So yeah, you could say, I can't do this. I can always do this. I am that girl. I am that queen. I am that princess. I can be everything, you know? That's why I hype myself up. That's why I hype myself up, you know? Hype. HYPE. Next is be kind to yourself. Everyone messes up and you know that. Don't get mad at yourself. Oh my gosh, my English. Don't get mad at yourself. Learn from it and keep going. If you slip up one day, you can acknowledge it, learn from it, and get back on track the next day. Don't stop. Consistency is key. Picture success also. You can picture success. I always do that to myself. I always imagine that I'll be this, I'll be that. And yeah, imagine yourself successfully breaking your bad habits. You could visualize yourself feeling more productive and less stressed after reducing your social media use, or what is your bad habits. And lastly, of course, get supported. I'm sure y'all are tired of hearing this if you watch all my videos, but you know, surround yourself with some friends, of course, and family. So I'm gonna keep this short real quick, okay? So you should surround yourself with positive friends and family who will help you. And yeah, you could tell a friend about your goal and ask for support and encouragement. And then number 4, you could use technology to help you. So you could use like habit tracker apps. Use apps to keep track of your progress and of course to stay on your track. Go this way, not that way, or this way, like you're going straight after that, so you're turning instead of straight. Calm down, okay? So yeah, I've seen a lot of those apps lately. No, actually, I don't see those apps. I just see my brothers using it, but you know. Next is mindfulness apps. So use apps to meditate and understand yourself better and stuff. And then productivity apps. Use apps to stay organized and manage your time well. Time management. You could like you might use it for like a timer to limit your social media use, your other use, your bad habits and stuff, like anything. There's so many things. So yeah. And lastly, number 5, don't give up. Never give up. Never back down. Okay. It's okay to mess up, okay? It's normal to have setbacks. Don't let them stop you though. Learn from them and keep going. Just keep on going. Why are you stopping? I need to go past that leg. So yeah, and ask for help. You already know this. Don't be afraid to ask friends. Why are you shy? Just say it. It's okay. I know there's someone who's there for you, even if you don't think so. If you really still don't think so, are you sure? Are you really sure there's no one with you? I'm just saying. But you know, celebrate your wins. That's last. Celebrate your wins. Notice and celebrate your progress, no matter how small they are, because of course you're doing great. Oh my gosh, I'm not doing great though. So here's a quote for today's video about bad habits, how to break them. The path to a better you isn't a sprint. It's a marathon of small victories. Each time you progress over perfection, you level up your life. So breaking bad habits takes time. Be patient, celebrate your wins, and you can do amazing things. Now go and make those changes. I know you're just watching this video to get ideas. After that, you're like, I can do this later. And you think you can do that later. You are doing this later. See this video right now and do them right now. Take that paper and write it down. I'm sorry. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed my video with my yapping over here. Yeah. Love you guys. I hope you love me too, but you know, probably not, but you know. Anyways, good luck and bye. I hope you can break those bad habits too. I am also here, y'all. Don't worry about it. Bye.